What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a package here. Package is related to this battery for the SnapOn tool. So this is one of my old battery laying around. We're gonna open this package up. This is the tool we're gonna use. I had to get this tool. I wanted to get this tool because I had injuries, so my arm's kind of hurting me, so it's difficult for me to work. So I was like, let me invest into some power tools, and I decided to get one of these. Pretty cheap on Amazon. I'm sorry, Facebook. I bought a few more tools. I'm gonna start doing videos on my tools. The new purchases. There was some I bought. I did not do videos on it. Should have had one back and done it. But let's see what we got in this package. This thing is wrapped pretty tight. Probably gonna have to cut this box open. I don't even know. Okay, this thing doesn't even know. It ends over here. There you go. That's more like it. So we're gonna put this baby into action. You guys gonna see it in action. What's going on? There's more tape. Oh yeah, there's more tape in here. Right, so it's a pretty big box. Let me put my seat up. There you go. Come on. There you go. That's more like it. Let me see if the camera could see me. Oh yeah, it can. All right, so I'm gonna be ordering a little bit more. So this thing was pretty cheap online. There's nothing else in the box, and I think the guy's getting out of the business of mechanics, so I'm not sure what's going on, what's his deal. But one man's garbage, another man's treasure. I don't even know if my battery's gonna fit. I just bought it. If anything, I had to buy a battery. It was pretty cheap because there's no battery for this. So this is a 3/8 drive ratchet CTR 761 be like boy -117. That's the number on it. So this is not a rebuild or anything like that. I do got little scuff marks and little bit damages, but it's pretty much new. You know, either he cleaned it really well. You can see the motor in there, but my battery is supposed to fit on it. Oh yeah, it's a long neck, so I can reach deep in there and turn bolts. Mostly it will be used on brake jobs. It's kind of heavy, but it's better than just going with your hand. So there's a little bit LED here. Motor stinks. It's pretty strong. It's not gonna break the bolts loose. So what you do is you break the bolt loose and you turn it, and you can flip flop. So that's tightening, and that's loosening. Should be able to make my brake jobs pretty easy. So let's say this is the caliper. It has the upper bracket bolt. Break it loose. That'd be the caliper. So the bracket bolt, go down in there, change your socket, the size, let's say 17 millimeter. Honda will be 12 or 14 and 17. Break it loose, turn it, break it loose, turn it. Should be able to help me remove the bolts pretty easy. I'm gonna put this thing into a lot of use, okay? So the number again is CTR 76. Let me start that over. CTR 767HV, okay? Serial number, I'm not even gonna go by serial number because I just thought of that. This could be stolen, but so I have to stop buying stuff online. I doubt it's stolen. Guys, pretty decent. And if anything, who knows? But it's pretty clean. Maybe he refurbishes them, buys them, I don't know. But he said this is not refurbished. I think he's getting out of the business of mechanics. So this is what it looks like. There you go, guys. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Stay tuned for this baby to be in more action. Thank you for watching.